Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Naveen. In this video, we will be discussing about intraday stocks to trade on the sell side in tomorrow's trading session. I have picked 4 stocks to trade on the sell side in tomorrow's trading session. All the 4 stocks have high potential trades. So make sure you are watching this video till the end to understand the logic behind those trades. The first stock I have picked to trade on the sell side in tomorrow's trading session is, so as you see here, the name is mentioned at this place. So it is RHI Magnista India Limited. So the strategy is, so as you see, the stock was respecting the support level multiple times, right? So basically the stock was moving in this upward channel. So it was trading in the upward channel. Currently we see a breakdown below this by making a lower low price action. So as you see, this is the high, right? High, low, lower high, lower low. Actually it is not the lower low, the same low, again a lower high, and we got the support at this level, and the price is moving in a lower high channel, right? So there is a good opportunity to trade this on the sell side in tomorrow's trading session. So let me zoom in the chart. So as you see, this is the price action what we are currently seeing in this stock, right? So it was respecting the support level, so we got a breakdown below this. So that support will act as a resistance now. So this support will act as a resistance if we see a bullish price action. So from this point we can expect a bearish price action, right? So the other confirmation is, so we got an lower high chart pattern. So from this point the price is making highs which is lower than the previous high. So we got the support level too, right? So we got the support level at this level. So let me mark the exact level. So this is the support level, right? So whenever the price reaches this level, we see a bullish price action. Currently we got the shooting star candle right after the breakdown of this support level. So the retest is also done. So after the retest we got the sellers gate activated, we got the shooting star candle. So in case of breakdown below this level, we can initiate a sell trade, right? So let's discuss where the entry and exit levels in the lower time frame. This is 15 minutes time frame chart. So in tomorrow's trading session, as soon as the price crosses today's low, which comes around 348, so as soon as the price breaks 348 level, we can initiate a sell trade. Our stop loss will be at this swing point which comes around 351. So 348 will be our entry price, 351 will be the stop loss. Our first take profit will be at 344 and our next take profit will be at 340. So in case of breakdown below 340, we can expect another big fall. Okay. So do mark these levels in your trading charts too, so that it will be easy in the live market. The next stock is Divi's Laboratory Limited. So this is daily time frame chart. So we got the chart pattern confirmation in this stock. So the chart pattern is, so this is the chart pattern which I am currently seeing in this stock. Right, what type of chart pattern is this? This is head and shoulder chart pattern, right? So we got the head and shoulder pattern in the daily time frame. So in case of breakdown below the neckline, we can initiate a sell trade, right? So we can expect a breakdown below. So we can expect a breakdown below this neckline in tomorrow's trading session itself. So this is the neckline. Let me mark the neckline again. So this is the neckline. So we can expect a breakdown below this in tomorrow's trading session. So let's see where the entry and exit levels in the lower time frame. So in tomorrow's trading session, as soon as the price breaches today's low, which comes around 5050 level, we can initiate a sell trade. Our stop loss will be last candle's high, which is 5080 level. So this will be the stop loss. So our first take profit will be at 5023 and our next take profit will be at round number 5000 level. So though we got a head and shoulder pattern in the daily time frame, something like this, so we can expect a breakdown of this level, so which is what I am expecting in tomorrow's setting session. So we can initiate a sell trade at 5050 level, 5050 level. Our stop loss will be 30 points of stop loss. 5080 will be the first stop loss. 508 will 80 will be the stop loss. First take profit will be at 5023 and our next take profit will be at 5000 level. Okay. The next stock is Grasim Industries. Grasim Industries. So this is daily time frame chart. The price was taking facing resistance at this level in the previous trading session. So currently we got a breakout above this, right? So after the breakout of this, the price is not sustaining above this level. So let me explain what I mean. So after the breakout of this, we got the shooting star candle, right? So breakout, shooting star candle, we got a fall. So after the fall, the price has made a pullback or retested this level, shooting star candle low, and from that level we see a bearish price action, right? So this level is facing resistance currently, which comes around 1750 level. So from 1750 level we got the bearish price action, right? So let's discuss where the entry and exit levels in the lower time frame. So if you check the price action in 15 minutes time frame, so this was the first candle of 22nd October, right? So this was the first candle. So after that we got a bullish momentum, but we got a breakdown of this first candle low, and if you check the price action, we got the fall and consolidation was taken at the end of the day. From 12 o'clock to till the end, we see the price was consolidating in the same 10 points of range. So the price range was 1710 to 1720 level. So this was the zone which the price went into the consolidation. So in tomorrow's trading session, I am expecting a two-sided momentum. So which is, I am expecting a fall in the first half, and in the next half I am expecting a bullish momentum in this stock. So we can expect two directional trades in tomorrow's trading session. The first half will be the sell and the next half will be the buy trade. Okay. So in the first half, so in tomorrow's trading session, as soon as the price breaks 1710 level, so which is this trading ranges low, this range low, so that the strategy is pretty simple. After the fall we got the consolidation. So in case of breakdown below this consolidation phase, we can initiate a sell trade, right? So at the end of the day we got the shooting star candle. The day ended with the shooting star candle in 15 minutes time frame. So as soon as the price breaches 1710 level, we can initiate a sell trade. Our stop loss will be 1720 level, and our first take profit will be at 1700, and our next take profit will be at 1695. So it's kind of a 1:1.5 risk to reward trade. Once you achieve the first target, which is 1700 level, once you achieve a first target 1700 level, make sure you're trailing your stop loss from 1720 to 1710 level. So you are supposed to bring the stop loss to your entry price, so that in case of bullishness, in case of bullish reversal, we are not going to lose anything, right? So once the price reaches 1700 level, make sure to trail your stop loss to 1710 level, TSL, trail your stop loss. And the additional thing is, you are supposed to book half of your position. So suppose if you have traded with 100 shares, make sure you are squaring off your 50% of the shares, which is 50 shares at 1700 level, and we are trailing your stop loss to 1710. This is how professional traders trade. So and our next take profit will be 1695, where you are closing the entire position. The remaining 50 shares will be sold at this level. Okay. So after that, if you see any bullish movement, bullish reversal from this point, if you see any hammer candle or a wick dominating candle like dragonfly doji or an engulfing candle, bullish engulfing candle, we can initiate a buy trade. Our stop loss will be low of the candle and our take profits will be at 1710, 1720 level, and it goes on to 1730 level. Okay. So we can expect two types of trades. The first will be the sell trade and the next will be the buy trade. So make sure we are trading this in tomorrow's trading session as per what I have explained now. The next talk is, before getting into the next talk, a quick introduction about my channel. So the channel name is Trader Naveen. This is the channel. I'll be posting regular videos on this channel regarding intraday calls as well as technical analysis, educational videos. So those who are new to my channel, make sure you're subscribing this channel for regular videos like this. Okay. So let's get into the next video. The next talk. Apollo tubes. Apollo tubes, this is a daily time frame chart. As you see, whenever the price reaches this support level, the price was getting bounced, right? So the buyers were getting activated and they are pushing the price on the upward side, right? So whenever the price reaches the support level, we see a bounce, right? So currently we got a breakdown below this. So let me explain what I mean in detail by zooming in the chart. So as you see, this is the support level, right? Previously it was acting as a support. Currently we see a breakdown below this level. So after the breakdown, we got an inside candle. So this is the second confirmation. The first confirmation is breakdown below the support level. And the next confirmation is we got the inside candle after the breakdown. The third confirmation is, so from couple of days the price was trading within this channel above the support level. It was trading within this channel. So we got a breakdown below this channel too. So I have marked the level. So in tomorrow's trading session, if the present candle's low is broken, we can expect a bearish momentum. So let's discuss where the entry and exit levels in lower time frame. Yeah, this is 15 minutes time frame chart. So in tomorrow's trading session, so as soon as the price breaks today's low, which comes around 809, okay, so as soon as the price breaks 809, we can initiate a sell trade. Our stop loss will be at 818 level. Our first take profit will be at 800 level, so which is the round number. So our first take profit will be at 800 level and our next take profit will be at 790 level. So though we got a breakdown of the support level, and the additional confirmation is we got the inside candle. So as soon as the price breaks 809, we can initiate a sell trade with the stop loss of 818. Our first take profit will be at 800 level, so which is the round psychological number. In case if that breaks, we can expect a next target of 790 level. Okay. So those are the 4 stocks which I have picked to trade in tomorrow's trading session. So all the 4 stocks are to trade on the sell side. So for daily videos like this, make sure you are subscribing this channel and do let me know your. So in case if you want me to analyze any of the other stocks, make sure you let me know in the comment section. I will make a separate video on that channel. So the new viewers, make sure you are subscribing this channel. Thank you.